Hello everyone, in this video, we will compare StanStore and Systeme.io. StanStore emphasizes customizable storefronts and extensive design options, allowing users to create visually appealing online stores that reflect their brand identity. It offers standard e-commerce tools, such as product management, order processing, and integration with payment gateways and shipping providers. In contrast, Systeme.io positions itself as an all-in-one platform combining e-commerce with email marketing, automation, CRM functionalities, and sales funnel creation. It integrates with major payment gateways and third-party tools, providing flexibility for businesses seeking streamlined operations and marketing automation capabilities. Choosing between StanStore and Systeme.io depends on your business priorities. StanStore for customizable design and essential e-commerce tools, or Systeme.io for integrated marketing automation and comprehensive business management features. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.